Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Halide and granting camera and mic permissions so controls work immediately. Choose RAW or Smart RAW in the Format menu. RAW preserves detail for editing, while Smart RAW balances file size. Turn on the grid and histogram so you can compose and monitor exposure in real time. Once done, swipe to reveal manual controls. Make sure the focus, slider, and shutter speed are visible. You're ready to capture your first controlled frame. You now move into manual mode to take full control. Set ISO low for less noise, choose shutter speed for motion, and tweak white balance to match the scene. Use focus peaking plus the magnifier or the 1/3x fine focus slider to nail sharpness on your subject. Lock exposure with AEL when recomposing, and use exposure compensation or bracket captures if the scene has high dynamic range. Once set, preview highlights and shadows, then take a test shot and refine settings. Finish by capturing multiple frames and reviewing the RAW histogram to ensure no clipped highlights or shadows. If clipping appears, lower exposure or enable highlight recovery and retake. If motion is present, increase shutter speed or switch to burst mode. Use depth or portrait modes for subject separation when appropriate. When satisfied, tap Export to save as TIFF, JPEG, or Share RAW. Choose Destination and Cloud options. Troubleshooting tip: if captures are unexpectedly soft, check lens cleanliness and disable any digital stabilization before reshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.